Hello, I'm Matt Reardon with Accurate International, and I'm here to show you the one-of-a-kind Eclipse 3160 undermount drawer slide. With concealed, commercial-grade hardware, this slide gives your drawers a clean and unobstructed appearance, making it ideal for residential as well as commercial, such as retail applications. This full extension slide offers soft close action, bringing slides to a smooth, gentle close, and its fluid dampener resists slams without adding bounce back. The 3160 EC supports loads up to 100 pounds. When using the cable system alone, supports drawers up to 40 inches wide. However, when using the specialized stabilizer kit, it can support drawers up to 5 feet wide without sagging. Thanks to its innovative suspension, the 3160 EC delivers that ultra-wide drawer support with minimal side-to-side racking. Plus, the slotted holes and cam adjust allow for front-to-back, vertical, and horizontal adjustments of the drawer. Another great feature is the front lever disconnect, which makes it easy to remove and reinsert the drawer. The 3160 EC is available in even lengths from 12 inches to 28 inches, as well as 15 and 22 inch slides. Click on the link below to visit the product page where you'll find specs, data sheets, CADs, and more. Thanks for taking the time.